into the video and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to view some Ipsy spoilers for August of 2020. So this is going to be a combined video of the Glambag regular, the plus, and the ultimate, and I'm just going to put the spoilers here in a video. Very quick, very simple, and I hope you guys enjoy. And if you do enjoy, then please give this a big thumbs up, since I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal. And I've also noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed, and if you guys would so much as do me the honor and subscribe, it would mean so much to me. And let's go ahead and get into the video. First off, I want to apologize. I've been kind of off my spoiler game recently, and I'm back. Hello. We're here for another spoiler video. This could have been done 10 days ago, but I kind of took a break for my mental health. Anyways, let me scoot over and let's get on with some spoilers. So we're gonna start out with the Glambag $12 bag first. And let me tell you, I've looked over all of the spoilers and they seem so good right now for August. Like, August is seeming like a good box for all. So just wanted to throw that out there. So the very first product, and remember that the Glambag $12 bag, these are sample sizes. So these aren't gonna be full-size items, which I wish they were because they're very good. Anyways, the very first spoiler is from GlamGlow. This is the GlamGlow Bright Eyes Illuminating Anti-Fatigue Eye Cream. We all need some anti-fatigue eye cream in our life. Let's be honest. I love everything GlamGlow. Anything I've tried from GlamGlow has been perfecto. So if you get this in your bag, or if this is even a bag choice item, I would so pick this. Even though it's gonna be so small, you might actually want to buy a full size. That's just the way it is with GlamGlow. Next up is from Sunday Riley. This is the Ice Creamide Moisturizing Cream, and I don't know much about it, but it's a moisturizing cream. It's Sunday Riley. They're a really good brand. I feel like this is actually one of the newer products that they have, if I'm being honest. If I remember correctly, I feel like this is one of the newer items. And if memory serves me correct, I almost feel like this is the item that people were finding out that Sunday Riley was doing fake reviews on. But I could be wrong, but I thought it was this one. But whatever. Anyways, that's the spoiler. Next up is from Buxom. I'm a Buxom lover on this channel, okay? They're very good. So this is the Buxom Cosmetics Extrovert Lifting Mascara. This is not a mascara that I've actually tried from Buxom. I've tried another one. Really liked it. The wand really looks like it's gonna lift, so I think this would be a really great mascara to get in your bag. And if you get it, I think you will be very happy. And then the last item is from Tatcha. And you know we love seeing some Tatcha products coming in Ipsy. We've had the water cream and then the other cream, like I think I might have them. Hold on, let me look. Yeah, here are two little mini Tatcha things that I got in Ipsy. I think I purchased these as add-ons, but yeah, you love to see Tatcha coming in Ipsy. I mean, it's a high-end brand. I don't care if it's samples. It's good to have those as products to try out, because, well, actually it kind of sucks for your bank account because you're gonna want to buy the full-size item. So, you know, whatever. Anyways, this is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist, and I have gone back and forth of buying this exact item several times. I've been always wanting to buy it with this set that comes with like a mini little primer, or maybe it's a full size and then another item. I've been like going back and forth of buying that for a very long time, but I just don't want to spend the money because I think it's like $80 or something ridiculous. I know, so that's why I haven't wanted to purchase it. But let me tell you, if I get this in my bag, Lord help my bank account, because I've heard nothing but good things about this specific product. But anyways, let's move on. Let's go on with the Plus, which is the $25 box, one of my favorites, and we have some good spoilers here. So the very first spoiler is from Estate Cosmetics. This is the Estate Cosmetics X Bailey Sarin, I don't know if I'm saying it correctly, Venice Fling Eyeshadow Palette. Now this palette kind of looks like the look I'm going for today on my eyes, which is the Natasha Denona Sunset palette or Sunrise palette. I forget which one it is. It's the red one. I think this is a a beautiful palette for summer because you got the oranges, you got that yellow, you got a neutral, you got purple if you're feeling fancy. And I don't know, I just feel like this is a really, really pretty palette. It's the first palette I've seen from Estate Cosmetics. Personally, I don't know if it's new or if they have palettes. I just know they have highlighters, but this looks like a really, really pretty palette. And the highlighters that I have tried from Estate Cosmetics, 2 different ones, really like the formula. So this looks like a good palette, y'all. Next up, we have something from Murad. This is the Murad Perfecting Day Cream Broad Spectrum SPF 30. Honestly, I feel like I've owned like everything Murad now from subscription boxes, but like Murad's a really good brand. I've been working on the eye cream, been loving it. I've sold a lot of Murad because there's so much skincare constantly like coming through my doors. So if you guys are interested in a perfecting day cream, you're gonna really love it, especially because Murad is like a really good brand. So anyways, let's move on. Next up is the Huda Beauty Demi Matte Cream Liquid Lipstick in Feminist, Shiro, and Lady Boss. I almost feel like I have these shades. Again, one moment. No, I have 2 different shades that I got in a Huda mystery box, but they look similar. Honestly, they really do. But anyways, I haven't actually tried them yet, but I have swatched them on the back of my hand, and I really liked the feel of it on the back of my hand, but that doesn't like, you know, say that they are amazing on the lips. But I would love to have another one to add to my collection of lipsticks, even though I have way too many lipsticks. These are really pretty shades. Anyways, next up we have the LaRousse, if I'm saying it correctly, Beauty Face Brush Set. Let me just complain for a second. So these brushes are like valued at like $100 and over. I don't believe so in real life, in IRL, you know. I think it's one of those brands that are like a filler object to raise the value because they feel like regular brushes to me. I sold mine. I think I sold them on Poshmark for $8 for an entire set of eye brushes, which I'm also getting again in my ultimate for this month. But I got an email saying that, sorry, here, let me replace the item for you. But my only complaint is that they're like filler value products because they're way overpriced for absolutely no reason. Like they probably cost like $1 to make each. So anyways, here's the brushes. Let's move on. Next up, from 3Skin, which I call 111 Skin all the time, but it's like 3Skin, whatever. This is the Cairo APT Booster. I don't know what it does, but anything 3Skin is phenomenal. It was, I chose one of their items for Boxycharm, which I'll be getting this month. It's, oh, and their face mask, the firming, and I have another product. What is it even called? I don't know. Extremely expensive stuff, but like, quality. It's good. I promise if you guys get this or if you pick it, you're gonna love it. I don't even know what it does, but whatever it does, it's gonna be good. Let me just say that. Now let's get into the Ipsy Ultimate, which another spoiler is exactly what I just talked about, the 3Skin, the exact same item, so that could also be coming in your Ultimate. Next we have from Dose, I don't know how to pronounce their name. This is the Freematic Limited Edition Smoky Pro Palette. Honestly, I've had a blush from them. I've also had single shadows from them. And I've had a mascara from them. I don't really like the brand. Just, if I'm being honest, it doesn't work for me. It's not my favorite. It's not something I would want. So if this was a choice item, I would definitely not pick it. If I got it in my box, I would pass it along to my niece, who's I think 14, so she can play with it. But for like me and you, it's not that good. Now, if you like it, that's Gucci. Great for you. For me, it's not my cup of tea, personally. But yeah, I mean, it's a really, really pretty palette, but I just don't like the quality of their stuff. I'm honest on this channel. Sue me. Next up is from Peyote, if I'm saying it correctly, Paris. This is the Hydra 24 Plus Cream Galaxy. I don't know. I think this is a cream moisturizer, or not a cream. Well, it's a cream. A gel moisturizer. What does this stuff say? Dream gel. No, forget it. Okay. I'm not sure if this is a cream moisturizer or a gel moisturizer, but I know that same word is on my WINKY Luxe moisturizer, which is my favorite, and it's a gel moisturizer, and it does wonders to my skin versus like a lotion type moisturizer. What am I saying? I don't know. I mean, if it's a gel moisturizer, I'd be 100% behind it because I love gels versus the creams because they don't work for me. They make my makeup look cakey. Yeah, I'm just gonna move on because I'm like just Okay, the last spoiler is from Complex Culture. This is the Plush Powder Brush. It looks like a nice fluffy little bunny tail, and this is, I think, Ipsy's brand. I know people have said it like that it is, but I still don't 100% know if it is Ipsy's brand, but the brushes that I do have from them, I really like. I love the color of it. I like the aesthetic of it, the gray, the gold, and the white. I think they're beautiful brushes. I'm getting one in one of my bags this month, and I'm actually really excited. So if you get this, I think you're gonna be excited because they are really nice brushes. Because, you know, I'm being honest. Anyways, that is it for the spoilers. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below on all the items that I showed today. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!